Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss how to automatically update the latest date for a slicer after a data refresh in Power BI. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So now let me set up a example first. So from the Power BI visual gallery, first I will add one data card and let me minimize the width of the data card. Okay, and from the data table, I will add a sales date and I will select as latest date. So as you can see, the latest date in this table is a 29th Feb 2024. Now I will add a once line chart, and in the line chart I'll increase the width and the height of the line chart, and I will add a sales date on x-axis, and I will say as a sales date. Now I will add a total sales. Okay. So this is done, and you can see the last point is a 29th Feb. And now I will add a one slicer, and in the slicer I will add a sales date. So and let me increase the font. So I'll say value. So the starting is from 1st Jan 2022 till 29th Feb 2024. Okay. So once the data, now you have published this report in Power BI service, let us assume, and data is refreshed and the first March data appear. So this date need to be automatically changed actually. You can change this date from date, but don't touch this date. Okay. So let me make it somewhere 23 and I will select somewhere September or October, 1st October. So, and but don't touch this date. Okay. And publish this report. And after that, when the data will be refreshed, this need to be changed. If the data will appear, the data in the table appear for the first March, this need to be changed automatically. So I have set up a such kind of the environment. So I'll show you. So I'll go to the transform data and transform data. I'll go to the Power Query, and here you can see I have applied a filter on sales date. Sales date is less than 1st March 2024. So here I will make a second. So now my sales date will be a 1st March. Earlier it was 29. And I will select this, and then we will apply and close, and we'll see what will happen after the refresh. So now data is refreshing and loading. So now you can see here the 1st March, and here you can also see 1st March. We don't need to change the date to date. Okay, the from date is as it is. Now we'll try one more time and we'll see. Again, I'll go to the transform. So now here I will change to 6th March. So my latest date will be a 5th March 2024. I'll apply, and after that I will say close and apply. After that the data will refresh and the to date will change to a 5th March. So here you can see the 5th March, and here also you can see the 5th March, the latest date automatically updating. And now here we will see here the data point. So here is also 5th March, and this is the total sales. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.